Hey vaqueros, this is Andre with University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department, and today we're going to be showing you all the different types of holds we have here at our university and how to use them. So let's talk about the most common type of hold that you'll see, especially for beginners, the jug. Jugs are positive and friendly to hold. Typically, they have a downward angle of pull. Jugs can also be placed upside down, requiring an upward pull, making them an underclimb. Or they can be placed sideways with the sideways pull. They're called side pulls. The second hold we'll be talking about today is the crimp. Crimps are small holds that require the use of the crimp grip in order to hold them. Next up, the pinch. Pinches are holds that you have to clamp or pinch between the fingers and thumb. This next hold is called the sloper, and honestly, it's my favorite hold. Slopers are holds that are rounded and edgeless. They require friction and compression in order to maintain grip. And finally, we have the finger pockets. Finger pockets are holds that have a hole inside that can fit 2 or more fingers in. Alright vaqueros, well I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, go check out the rest of our planning video. This has been Andre with the University Recreation Outdoor Adventure Department.